In this video, I will show you how to duplicate apps on Android. If you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, to get this done, simply open your Play Store app. Once your app is open, just search for Dual Space. So once you search for Dual Space, you are going to see this Dual Space Lite multi account. So this is the exact one that you need to actually download. You can see it's having 50 million downloads right now. So all you have to do is just click on it and then install it on your mobile device. Once installed, then all you have to do is just open this app, and now you'll be able to use this app to actually clone any apps that you have on your phone. I mean any single app, Instagram, Facebook, any single app, you'll be able to actually clone it with this application. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.